India, which has now increased its troop presence by a considerable number on the eastern Ladakh border. Now, this latest development came into place after clashes took place during the first week of this month. There have been several skirmishes in Sikkim and then in Ladakh that was reported. So, India and China, who have reinforced the troop deployment with a few more sectors in the eastern Ladakh area amid the heightened tensions following the violent clash that was reported in the Pangong Tso sector that happened in the first week of May itself. Let me straight away go across to our political editor, Aishwarya Kapoor, for more on this. Well, more troop deployment that has been increased in Ladakh, Aishwarya, what does it suggest on India's point of view?
Amita, first thing, India is not the aggressor. India has not initiated. India has been forced to respond in such a manner because of their counterparts. The PLA army has basically increased its presence just by double in that very specific eastern Ladakh sector. And if you go back just for the last 20 to 30 days, First, around 5th or 6th of May, you've seen a scuffle which involved around 150 soldiers on both sides. Not a single shot fired, but then a brutal physical fight which resulted in getting 150 soldiers on either side injured. That very situation was basically sorted out by a flag meeting. Then just around 48 to 72 hours prior, we've seen a Chinese PLA chopper getting into 12 to 15 kilometers onto the Indian side, and that was on the Himachal side. And now, when the Indian Army got the information that PLA has increased its presence just by double in that very particular sector of eastern Ladakh, Indian Army has been forced to retaliate. Indian Army has been forced to respond in the same manner, and we have also considerably beefed up our presence in not only that sector but in 4 different sectors along the LAC. Because LAC is not marked, because LAC is not a wired fence like the LOC with Pakistan, Chinese troops have been trying to do such kind of misadventures which they are met with. But then this sudden upscaling of the PLA army onto the eastern Ladakh sector is something which has been very minutely noted by the Indian Army and then aptly and then responded in the same manner, Amita. So this is something which the Chinese need to understand at this very particular time when the world is facing this COVID-19, which is another trouble created by China. China is still trying to create this kind of small disturbances, and this is nothing but to just distract India, because when Pakistan on the other side, on the LOC, is trying to do this massive cross-border violation so that they can basically help and infiltrate these terrorists onto the Indian side, Amita, Chinese are just trying to distract, and the Indian Army is completely aware about these tactics because India and China work in tandem. So this is something which the Indian Army is completely aware about, and that's why we see that India is not the aggressor. India has not initiated. India is only responding back in the same manner that what the Chinese are doing. So we have beefed up our presence considerably in the eastern Ladakh sector, Amita, and this is only a response back to the Chinese, Amita.
All right, so considerable reinforcement of our troops there, especially in the eastern Ladakh area where there has been several instances in the past, but the army chief continues to say that there has been a lot of dynamics that play, especially in such kind of face-offs that have happened between India and China in the past as well. Thanks very much, Aishwarya, for joining us with the details.